Crashing into me, boy. We out here. Nothing else to do on Sunday, right? So why not come out here? I'm in Upton, Massachusetts. So we're in the Upton State Forest. Got Havik with his little boots on so he doesn't get his feet cold. Let's see if you can see. Havik, stop. 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 Stay. Good boy. Let's keep going. Hey, come on, boy. They loved his boots. I've been walking for way too long. I think I'm lost. We're lost, huh? No signs. I don't know where I am. I'm just in this sweater, thermal, and some jeans. I need help. Call the police, please. Nah, I'm just playing. Fucking. It's right here. Right there. Parking lot, I think, is to the left. Something. No, we're not done yet. Not completely done yet, I think. Oops. Yeah. Making sure no coyotes or bears or anything pop up. Got my knife on me just in case. In case I got phone check. Phone check on mofo. Yeah, we're almost out of here. We walked for a long time. I took a lot of pictures. Got a lot of crappy ones, but I did get a lot of good ones. I gotta go through them when I get home. Right, boy? Right, we got some good stuff. Yeah, right. Well, it's been a good day of walking. We got to do his exercise. Seen plenty of people. Well, not plenty, but a good amount walking their dogs and stuff. No issues. As you can see, Havik's over here just chilling. Havik loves to stop and sniff other dogs' pee or whatever animals there, because that's pee. Come on, boy, let's go. This is the start of many walks that I'll be taking. Just got home, guys. I'm pretty tired. It's been a long day of walking. I'm sure Havik over there is pretty tired. Havik, come here. Havik. Hey, you tired? I bet you're gonna go upstairs and knock out, huh? Yeah, I'm probably gonna go upstairs and knock out myself. Cool little place. I liked it. I might go there in the summertime, see how it is then, but it was full of snow. Luckily, Havik had his boots on, so it's positive to get too cold and whatnot. But about to go upstairs, eat something real quick, and go from there. Deuces, guys.